We begin tonight with some alarming news emerging from security quarters, in the wake of reports that General Mkhwanazi has barely escaped a serious assassination attempt. According to a variety of reports that emerged late last night, the top law enforcement officer had been the target of a violent attack, which has now started receiving a boost due to the security measures that have been put in place. While there is not much information on the matter that has officially been made public, the gravity associated with these allegations has already started resulting in shockwaves for the citizens of the affected nation. In order to get more information about this alarming situation, don't forget to click on the notifications button. Reports emerged quickly, including claims that armed attackers tried to take the life of General Mkhwanazi in what seemed to be a carefully planned assault. Sources close to the issue say that the assault seemed to happen suddenly, with little warning to those in the area, who are said to be shaken by how close they came to a serious disaster. The seriousness of being attacked has brought the issue into the domain of national concern because there is a fear that the attack was not merely a random assault, but a targeted attack against a high-ranking individual who has a hardline policy against crime and corruption, no matter what form that crime takes. It is apparent from developing accounts that rapid responses and improved security measures played a critical role in ensuring that the attack did not result in the death of the general. It is reported that well-trained members of the security forces responded immediately, giving the general the chance to avoid being seriously injured. It is reported that his survival in the attack was nothing short of amazing. While the inquiry into the attack has not been completed, sources within the camp suggest that the attackers may have underestimated the level of security provided for General Mkhwanazi. General Mkhwanazi has earned himself the reputation of being a hardliner, often associated with tough actions against organized crime and internal graft. Observers point to the fact that the kind of person described might easily make powerful enemies, especially where these enemies underpin their power through organized crime or sensitive personal or organizational interests that come under investigation. The incident involving General Mkhwanazi has brought the question of the risks that top law enforcement officials often face in their work and whether adequate support is in place to shield those officials who confront entrenched criminal oligarchies. In the aftermath of the reported incident, the security detail surrounding the major players is said to have been beefed up. Law enforcement is reported to be taking the highest level of seriousness regarding the matter, attempting to discern any possible motives and scouring intelligence efforts for insight into the potential means by which the attempted assassination was possible. While there has not been any official statement regarding the matter, the urgency of the response would seem to register the gravity of the threat being taken very seriously. As far as the general populace is concerned, the development is rather alarming. Many in South Africa cannot believe that a person of General Mkhwanazi's standing could be so blatantly victimized. Then again, some people believe that perhaps this is what is occurring in a society where there is a breakdown of values with regards to law and order. Social networking sites have been overflowing with well-wishes, concerns, and speculations. Even while there is a call to wait until facts are available, it is clear that people do not feel very secure. If true, this alleged attempt at assassination might be a turning point. It might result in more security being put in place or, at least, more focus being put on protecting major officials, while also taking strong action against alleged crime networks that sponsor such threats. It also might bring about a debate over how officials enforcing an otherwise fragile system are themselves adequately secured. As in every major emerging news story, it also ought to be noted that it is crucial to exercise circumspection in this situation. More guidance ought to come when investigations reach an adequate stage that will allow for responsible disclosure of data. Until then, the nation can be said to be poised, alert, and fully aware of what hangs in the balance. This story is breaking and has potentially far-reaching implications. As additional information emerges and official announcements are made, we will be following all updates very closely. If you would like to stay informed and stay ahead of the curve, be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video below in the comments.